What if there was a quick way to earn more than $800 right now? Simple, by which I mean having 90% of the job completed for you with only a few clicks and being able to start getting paid right away. Only a select fraction of the more than 300 various strategies and tactics that have been investigated for making money online have shown to work in practice, and this is one of them. Even though it is a completely free method that works in any nation, not everyone can take use of it. Why? Because 97% of viewers will skip some sections without fully understanding the concept and will overlook some extremely little details and crucial facts. By finishing this video, you won't be one of the 97% of people who fail to make any money. The video should now begin. I'll demonstrate one of the simplest ways to get money in this video. Here, I'm not referring to insignificant sums. Rather, I'm talking about hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Go to lagium.org now, and once there, select the Browse Projects category by clicking the link in the top Browse section. That will direct you to this page where you can browse among the available feature projects. You can see that there are practically limitless assignments available for you to select from on this website, and you might be earning a sizable sum of money. I'll demonstrate how to do it in a way that requires very little effort on your part. People from all around the world are utilizing this chance to increase their income. All of the jobs are divided into different categories on the left side of the page, including usability testing, registration, translation, downloading apps, video and animation, and so on. I'll save you a lot of time and give you access to the extra advice right away. I'll let you know what works best and most successfully right now so you can get started making money right away. I'd like to give you one more piece of advice and ask that you concentrate on the graphics and design category. All you have to do to access this page, which only displays projects involving graphics and design, is click on this link right here. I can assure you that this is one of the simplest ways to make money, and you can do it even if you have no prior expertise or knowledge of technology or graphics. Just take a look at all of these projects, some of which are worth thousands or even hundreds of dollars, to see how many jobs and chores are available to everyone. If I want to know how many projects are available, I can simply keep scrolling down. Most likely, you're asking yourself, how can I do that? And how can I start making money like these $500 in US dollars? Let's say Trusted Training posts a project similar to this. The project is available here. They want you to create a fresh, unique logo. All you have to do to visit this website right now is click on this project. As you can see, the incentive is between $450 and $550, and you'll be paid in US dollars. As you can see, we want to create a brand new, distinctive logo for our training business, Trusted Training. Visit freelogodesign.org to access the logos without having to create any of them yourself. On the homepage, you can notice that this website provides free services and free software that can quickly generate logos for you. As you can see, these are just a few examples of expert logos for various businesses, and they are all made using various templates with various designs. Again, I can tell you that this will be among the easiest ways to get money without exerting any effort. A professional logo may be created quickly and easily. Two sorts of information are required in order to create a free logo on this website. You must first choose a company name before selecting one of these categories. The only thing left to do is to enter the company name Trusted Training if, for example, we wish to work on this project. We can find a company name right here. We are including the company name because it will directly display on the emblem, which is why we are doing so. The category of their business is described as follows. We want to evoke a very clear idea of health, fitness, and activity. In other words, they operate as a fitness and health business. After entering the firm name, we must select one of these subcategories. Simply select one of these categories by clicking on this down arrow to do so. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Let's watch the video again. We simply click below and look for education because there is a corporation that teaches people how to improve their health. You only need to click this button to get started right away, after which they will begin loading and displaying several logo types for you. With just one click of a button, they allow you to quickly and easily generate pages and pages of unique logo designs that you may use for nothing. You may select from any of these designs, and they're all quite professional, as you can see when I scroll down below. Once you've finished with page 1, simply click on that to move on to page 2, where you'll see even more unique logo designs with the company name prominently displayed. You can choose any of these fresh logos and present them to your customers once more if you are not happy with any of these, or if you have already shown them to them on howto00111 and they are not happy. There are already 4 pages worth of various logo ideas to choose from within just one category. If you're not happy, you can view new logo designs by selecting another category. You don't need any technical or graphic design expertise, and you don't have to create any of the numerous choices and imaginative logo ideas yourself. This is one of the simplest ways to make money right now without any expertise, as I promised. Let's assume you want to choose this logo. All you have to do is click on this here and select Add, and it will show up on your canvas right away. From there, you can make any modifications or edits you desire. For instance, you may drag and drop this logo to any location, change its size, and make any other adjustments you desire. Let's use the company's name as an example. They are so professional that you don't need to make any revisions. You can complete all of your logos with a single click. You can add tags, modify the color, font type, and font size, as well as drag and drop them into any desired position. Simply click this button to view a preview of the logo, which is compatible with your computer, phone, and other devices. All you need to do to save the logo design on your smartphone after you are happy with it is click the Save button. This is only one instance of a logo that was made for this particular business, and guess what? You'll discover that there are hundreds of projects searching for people like you and me to create various logos when you return to howto00111 and examine the various projects. For it, they pay you handsomely and promptly. To sign up for free, all you have to do is click the button at the top of the website. This will lead you to a page where you can input your email address and begin making money with howto00111. I'll give you one more extra advice right now. In addition to visiting howto00111.org, you can also visit fiverr.com, a website for independent contractors where you can locate a number of related projects. You can find several projects and other logo design work by just entering the keyword logo design and pressing the search button. These are just a few examples of different freelancers from other countries who work on Fiverr and make a good living by assisting others with their logo design and creation. In order to design a logo, hundreds of thousands of people have requested help. You could do it, and all you have to do is visit this website for free logo design and quickly create all of the logos in a professional manner. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.